Love of beer and flamenco put together.
I love flamingos!
Beer. Why do I love thee? Is it your aromatic hops, your roasted barley, your toasted malt? The sparge, the mash, the wort, the boil. I'll make the beers ready to bottle. How I love to drink your fermented flavors of spice, of bitter, of winter, of esters. You intoxicate me with your wondrous delights. Thank you, dear beer, for always being there. Ole!